Hey everyone, this is Kristin from Printable, Cuttable, Creatables. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Arabesque tile ornament boxes. These boxes are currently available in 3 sizes: large, medium, and small. The large box is designed to hold the large MSI Antique White Arabesque tiles found at Home Depot. The medium box is designed to hold the Satori Hudson Glossy Porcelain Lantern Mosaic tiles found at Lowe's. And the small box is designed to hold the small MSI Bianco Arabesque tiles found at Home Depot. I'll include links and SKU numbers for all of these products in the description below. Each box also includes an alternate lid with a square cutout window instead of an arabesque-shaped window. This lets you use the box for other types of gifts, including wood slice ornaments, acrylic ornaments, coasters, or any other small gift. To assemble this box, you will need a medium to heavyweight cardstock. Here I'm using a foil cardstock by Recollections. For the viewing window, you'll need some type of acetate. Here I'm using Dura-Lar by Grafix. This is an old pad I just happened to have on hand, and it worked great for this project. This is optional, but for the insert piece that goes inside the box, I used some glitter craft foam. This piece would insert inside the box and serve as an extra padded cushion for the tile ornament. You could also use glitter cardstock or patterned scrapbook paper. You'll also need an adhesive. Here I'm using art glitter glue because I like the fine point tip. I also like that it dries clear and doesn't bubble my cardstock. So here I have all the pieces cut out that we will need for the box. I have the insert piece cut from craft foam, which I actually just cut by hand because it's a simple square. The acetate window, and the 2 box pieces, the bottom and the top. I chose a green foil this time. I thought it was pretty for Christmas. And I used the scoring tool on my Cricut to do the score lines here. I don't know if you can see them there. In this case, I used this solid score line file. If you don't have a scoring tool and you're using the blade of your machine, you want to open the file labeled dashed score lines, and that would allow the blade of your machine to cut along the dashes to create the fold lines. So we'll start by just folding along the score lines on each box piece. They're all folding inward toward the inside of the box. So I'm just going to go around to each side of the box and fold in the sides as well as the glue flaps. Then I will do the same with the top box piece. I'll go around and fold the edges on each side as well as the little glue flaps. Next, I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to add just a tiny glue dot to each of these glue flaps on the corners of the box pieces. Then I'm going to fold the glue flaps in and glue them to the side of the box. And I'm just going to hold that there for a few seconds, maybe 10 seconds, just to make sure it really sticks. And I'm going to do that for each glue tab going around the box. And I'll repeat the same thing with the glue tabs on the other side of the box. Next, I'm going to apply glue to the outer edge of the side flap. Then I'm going to fold the flap down to create a finished edge along the side of the box. So now I'm going to continue doing the same thing around each side of the box. I'm going to apply glue to the outer edge and then fold it down to create a finished edge all the way around the box. So now the bottom of the box is done. I can take the glitter insert that I cut from craft foam, and this foam has an adhesive backing, so I could peel this off if I wanted to and actually stick it down to the bottom of the box, but for this video I'm just going to place it inside the box. So now we can assemble the top of the box, and we're going to do it the same way by starting with a small dot of glue on the glue flaps of each corner of the box. And I'll just hold it in place for a few seconds to make sure it sticks. Then I'll add some glue to the next corner and tuck that in to glue it to the side of the box. Hold it in place. And then repeat for the remaining corners. Next, we can add glue to the outer edge of each side flap. Fold the flap down to give it a finished edge. Then repeat for the remaining sides of the box. Now we're ready to add the viewing window. We'll start by adding a small amount of glue around the cutout in the box top. Then insert the cut acetate piece inside the box lid and press down on the glue to secure it in place. Be careful not to rub too hard, or this may slide the window placement before the glue has dried. Here is a finished box lid where we can see that the glue has dried clear. And that's it, our box is complete. So now you can go ahead and place your ornament into the box. If your ornament has a hanging ribbon or string, you can tuck it behind the tile before you place it into the box. If you want, you can add a bow, a gift tag, or any other embellishments to the top, or you can just let the ornament design show through the window and speak for itself. So that's it for assembling the Arabesque tile ornament gift boxes. I hope this tutorial helps. There's also a PDF instructions file included with your download, which has step-by-step directions. But if you have any other questions along the way, please feel free to reach out and I will be happy to help.